Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you the third test puzzle. So watch until the end to know the answer and subscribe my channel to help me improve even more and share this video for more people see these cool puzzles. Now let's get in. So the beauty of this puzzle is that black has all the pieces and white only have this pawn and this king. But white can win this. So I will allow you to pause the video and try to figure it out. What is the solution? You found it? So the solution here is that you have to promote, but which promotion is the correct? You have queen, knight, rook, and bishop. Which is the correct one? If you guess queen, you're wrong because the king here is very safe. So every piece except the knight is wrong because the knight is the only piece that can jump other pieces. So knight here, and black would play c2. The idea of this move is that it's threatening mate in 2, so you have to be careful, but white is giving checkmate before. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe as I say in the beginning of the video and share this video for more people. I will wait you for the next puzzles. Take care.